Hey! So, I need everybody to put your phones in the bag, okay? Okay, put your phones in the bag. Everyone put your phones in the bag.
No way, Mitch. I need my phone.
Oh, you saw the invite. You saw the invite. All right, you wanna spend the rest of your spring break taking naked selfies of your vagina? Great, but tonight, Vegas rules. What
about him?
No, Brownie, bro. Give it up. Give it up. Get out. Come on, Marsha, give me a little something. Nobody's around. It's just us for the camera. Oh! Did you see it? All right, baby, you ready? Ready for this? All right, let's go.
That was for my mom! Uh-oh, incoming.
Yo, ho. Ooh, okay. How you doing over there, Gilbert? Oh, good. Yes.
What the hell is that?
Ew. Yeah, found it up the beach.
It's gooey.
Dude, yo, Holmes, that's not gonna burn. Yo, we need firewood. We need firewood. You are an idiot, Gilbert. What you say? You're an idiot. It's just, fuck you say, Julie. Man, it's all fire, bro. No. Hey. Yo, come on, dude, hand it over. No, man. Yo! Whoa, dude, try to have a moment here, bro. Oh, that is awesome. That's so awesome. Hand it over. Come on, guys. Vegas rules, bitch. All right, no tweets, no Facebooks, MySpaces. Let's go. Dude, give me the phone. Nothing leaves this beach. Oh, man. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Look, Mitch.
Dude, I get it. Okay, I get it. Vegas rules. You want to get wet? Surfing. Do you want to surf? Or...
I just want to go home. Hey, where are you going?
Nowhere.
Good morning.
We should probably.
Later? Okay, people, let's get up and out of here. No, 5 more minutes. Seriously? I thought I was horny. Marsha. 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 Shh. Marsha, I can see your nipples.
I can see them.
Don't look at her nipples.
Where's your top?
Dick.
Have you seen Heather?
Oh my god.
Kill that bitch. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh.
That was amazing.
Oh.
They were like chunks. See that? She's probably puking in your shoes.
Nice. Are you stuck? Oh my god.
Guys, I'm sick.
Yeah, no shit, Marsha. Come here and let's go.
Marsha, don't touch the sand.
Fuck?
Yeah, don't touch the sand.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm stuck.
She says she's stuck?
My feet, I can't.
Marsha, just get up.
Yo, is she okay? She probably just stepped on something. Yo, something's wrong.
No, Vance, don't! No.
Yo, we have to help her.
No, Vance, you can't.
Oh my god.
Get back in the... No, is there something wrong with the sand? Do something!
Vance!
You guys, why isn't he getting up?
Ronnie! Help! Help me! I'm going.
No!
Just let me go!
God damn it, do something!
Start the car, Jonah! Start the car!
It's gonna be okay!
Come on!
It's gonna be okay, Vance, baby, look at me! Look at me, baby!
Ronnie!
to see what there is.
All right. I'm coming, Vince. I got you, bro.
Look at me, baby. Look at me.
I got it. He's sinking.
You will too. Baby, no! No, God! Oh my God, baby! No! Please, please get up! This isn't real! Guys!
What the hell? Somebody want to tell me what the fuck just happened?
You saw!
It was quicksand, man. We need to get out there and dig.
No! You saw the sand! The sand ate him! It devoured him! It was chemicals!
What?
Chemicals! There was a spill or something, like oil or something!
That's bullshit. Oil does not do that. Well, the fucking Quickie Loop guy would earn more than fucking minimum wage.
It was the government!
So it was the government oil chemicals that killed Vance. Mystery solved.
Okay, what do we do?
I'm gonna call my congressman. Can't call 60 minutes. Give me my phone. Call someone and get the fuck out of here.
The phones are in the trunk. Oh, that's just great. How are we supposed to get them? Vegas rules. Dick! What kind of stupid-ass plan was that? Take our phones away so we don't end up on the fucking internet? See how played out that is?
God!
Guys, hey, it's okay. You know, we're okay. The fuck we are. Did you see what just happened?
No, he's right. Look around. We're okay.
Vance is in the fucking sand. Vance is gone, but we're okay. And we're gonna stay okay, right?
Right.
Okay, it can't get us in the car. We gotta stay in the car. Okay, yeah, okay, drive the car over here and get us, and we'll get out of here. And tell somebody about this, and they can come deal with this shit. The car won't start.
It's the battery. Jonah, stop. Lights. Turn the lights off. Dead battery.
That's okay. All right, then we wait here. We're just gonna wait here. Someone's gonna come. Someone's bound to come and come save us, right? Kaylee, what are you doing? Kaylee! Hey, Kaylee! Kaylee! What are you doing? Are you crazy?
No, just look, listen to me.
The sand, you can't!
Okay, just please shut up for a second and pay attention to this.
Kaylee.
Just watch.
Assholes! Get me out of here! No, stop! Come on, you assholes, help me! Gilbert, you have to listen to me. Screw you! Gilbert, stop! Is this you, Mitch? Gilbert, look at me. You better start running. Consider this a head start.
Gilbert, don't move!
This is not a joke,
Gilbert,
man!
stop!
Please stop!
Stop!
Seriously!
Jim's in a fucking trash can, asshole! Help me out of here!
Gilbert, you have to listen to me.
What is it?
There's something in the sand.
What?
I don't know, we don't know.
Vance is dead!
Dead?
Marcia, too.
Who?
You know her, the girl with the feet like,
That's not funny!
What we know is you can't touch the sand.
Yeah, man, there's something in it, like little hairs or...
Little hairs?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to sit tight.
Sit tight? I'm jammed in a fucking trash can, Mitch! It hurts, dude! It really hurts!
listen, you have to, okay?
You guys are fucking with me.
Dude, Gilbert, please.
Gilbert, listen to me.
I'm listening!
Okay, the tide's coming in. Yeah, in about 2 hours, dude, that tide's gonna be right up next to you, okay? Can you wait that long?
It hurts, Mitch.
Just hang in there, okay? Get some rest or something.
Just let her go. It's nice she found someone.
What do you want from me?
The same thing you wanted from me. Doesn't sound so bad when I put it that way, does it?
It doesn't matter anymore.
The tide is coming in. Why'd you say that?
You think it makes Gilbert feel any better? Being stuck in a goddamn trash can without any hope?
What happened last night?
Nothing. We had a few drinks, we talked, but nothing happened.
Yeah, we walked on the beach and talked. Then what?
I don't know. I mean, you weren't handling the Jonah and Shonda show, so we talked it out like friends. Came back in here and crashed. And that's about it.
If we'd fucked, I know. I'm talking about the sand. What's different? Why could we walk on it last night? What happened between then and now?
Hey, found this.
Oh, great. We've only been out here for hours.
You got a good base, Shonda. You'll be fine.
That's great. Right here.
What happened last night? The fucking sand killed my boyfriend, is what? Okay, how? When? What changed? What happened?
Who cares? Get me out of here!
Yeah, Gilbert's right. Does it matter?
Yeah, it does. If we can figure out what happened, then maybe we can...
Maybe we can what? Do my back?
Maybe we can figure out how to get out.
We were all here last night, camped out. Everyone was fine. Everyone crashed out.
Oh, God.
What? Not everyone.
Got everyone.
Everyone?
No way.
Oh shit! This is a prank! I'ma fuck you guys up when I get out of here! I'ma fuck you up! Get me out! Get me out!
Gil, just chill out for a second, man.
It's so fucking hot! I'm burning!
I know. Calm down. Let me help you.
I gotta get out of here! I gotta get out of here!
Gilbert, no. Wait. We got sunblock, man. Okay? It'll help.
Sunblock! Fucking sunblock!
Look, sunblock's what I got, okay? Do you want it?
It's too far. You're not gonna make that.
Jonah, you can make it.
Let me try.
Oh, son of...
Good job, Jonah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so good.
What?
You guys, what is that?
Me and Vance found it. Up the beach.
What is it?
It wasn't crack last night. I actually almost tripped over it. It's almost like it hatched.
It hatched? It's an egg? Like a monster?
Holy shit, I think she's right.
It's under the beach. It's under the sand.
I don't believe in monsters.
Yeah, I don't know about monsters, but it is a fucking egg.
What, so it's alive?
Alive?
I mean, it has to be.
Alive? Guys! Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Listen, Gilbert, if it just hatched last night, then how big can it be, right?
Right.
There's gotta be a size to it. It can't be that big. There's gotta be a shape. I've got an idea, just wait.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see how big it is.
Who cares? It's all around us.
No, maybe not. That's good thinking.
Is it? How long are we gonna be stuck out here and you're throwing out our only food?
Here, let me try. God, son of... Give me another one.
Try the other way.
Give me
try
another
the
one.
other way.
You got hot dogs, Mitch? What the hell? You gonna feed a freaking bird, but you ain't gonna feed Gilbert? What the fuck? Throw me a hot dog, a drink, or something, man! I'm dying over here! You having a motherfucking picnic and I'm over here starving? Give me a fucking hot dog! Oh, guys! Guys, you see this shit? This fucking sand is eating this fucking bird! This is the shit that happened to Vance! Fucking duck feet! We're all gonna die, man! This shit is crazy! We're all gonna fucking die!
Just hold on.
Your mama told me not to bring my black ass to this motherfucking beach!
Try the other way.
Fuck. That's it. Right? That's it.
That's how far it is.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
He goes, that's it.
Yes.
What does it matter? We can't get from here to there.
No. It's not so far. We can figure something out.
No.
Find a way to.
No, it is too far. It's too dangerous. We'll sit tight. We'll be okay. Someone will come.
No, they won't. It's spring break. Where are you supposed to be? I'm supposed to be going to Cabo in like 3 hours. No one's gonna come looking for me for like 2 weeks.
Okay, no, but it's a beach. People come.
No one else is here. No one's come here for hours. What if they can't? What if every beach is like this? What if it's all like this? Every beach, everywhere. There was Matt's sleeping bag, Nate, Sandy was... No one's come looking for them. Not a single person.
Ronnie's right. There's not been a boat or a car.
We don't know if she's right.
We don't know if she's wrong.
You know what? Screw this.
Jonah.
No,
Jonah.
I'm not gonna let it just sit around.
Jonah, you're being stupid. What are you
It's
doing?
not as stupid as sitting around doing nothing. Take this.
Just be careful.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Jonah.
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 Hey.
Dude.
No, don't!
Jonah!
Hey. It's okay. Okay.
No, wait! Fingers!
Nice job, babe.
Careful, Jonah.
Hey, Kaylee, we need to talk.
Sure your mouth isn't too busy?
Get over it.
That's what you're bitter about? Well, it seems like you had a pretty good night yourself.
Come on, dude.
What? You want to say something?
No. It's for later.
No, man. There is no later. Not today. Why don't you ask Vance how later's going for him? Or Duck Feet?
Marcia.
Whatever. Or all the other people that left the party early.
Dude, you're being a dick.
Am I? Well, I'm not alone. Shithead.
Can you possibly cut the fucking bullshit? I'm dying here.
Yeah, walk away.
Jonah!
No, it's okay. The board just shifted. No big deal.
Hey.
Hey! I'm okay.
Look!
They're moving! Jonah, the sand is moving the boards. Okay, you just have to come back.
Baby, please! Come back!
Hold on!
Jonah!
Look out, Jonah!
Jonah!
Ah!
Jonah?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Jonah, talk to us. It doesn't hurt.
Baby! John!
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Jonah! Jonah, look at me!
Wake
Can
up!
you hear me?
Jonah! Jonah!
Jonah!
Oh, fuck, that really hurts.
Hey!
Oh, fuck, it really, really hurts. It's like a jellyfish times 1,000.
Do something, help
I don't know
him!
what to do.
Somebody tell me what the fuck is going on!
It's poison!
What?
It's poison! That's why it hurts so bad, because he barely touched it!
Look at me, Jonah.
You're okay. You're okay, babe.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, that'll wake you up in the morning.
Babe, what is it?
Good news, guy.
Jonah!
Jonah, what are you doing? Hey! Hey. Hey, Jonah, what are you doing?
Babe!
I knew it. It's fire. It's fire.
Oh my God, Jonah, your stomach. Jonah. Jonah. You need to get on that table. We all told you not to do it, but now you're over there and you're gonna make the most of it, okay? So get on that table.
Oh, gotta sit down.
No.
I'm tired.
You've done a good job so far, but your job is not done. You need to look through that bag, tell me what you've got.
What's a party in here, guys? We got mixers.
That's good.
Oh! This one's from my main man, Gilbert.
Oh, thank God, man. You couldn't have did this any sooner.
Look good?
You first, okay?
I'm not so thirsty.
Look at me. You need to get on that table. Oh shit. Look, they're moving. They're still moving. Yeah, this is what it does. It just sits and it waits for food to wander onto it. Why would it leave anything for us to stand on? Look. That's the edge of it. All I have to do is get there and we're free.
What? What is it?
The tires. It's growing up the tires. Okay, we gotta do something. We can't just sit here and wait it out. Jonah's dying. So is Gilbert. We're next.
What are you gonna do? You see? You see that? Might as well be miles away.
We can't just sit here waiting to die. There's gotta be some...
What?
The phones. The phones. Where'd you put the phones?
They're in the trunk.
They're all in the trunk.
Shonda,
What?
there isn't a release. You have to use the keys. What are you doing? In my mom's car, you can pull the back seats down and get to the trunk.
Does the back seat come down?
I never did that with Jonah. I think I can stand on the bumper.
Ronnie, no, you'll fall.